We're cutting away for some breaking news coming in. The NCB has arrested 3 people in connection with their ongoing drug probe. 2 Indian nationals and 1 British national has been arrested, and a total contraband value of 200 kilograms has been seized. These are imported strains of ganja like OG Kush and curated marijuana that have been recovered. Contraband sourced from USA and from local areas. 2 Indian nationals and 1 British national have been arrested. So the NCB that has been conducting a fairly long ongoing crackdown on the drug nexus and mafia in Mumbai has now affected the seizure of ganja from one courier at Bandra West. And in the follow-up operation, huge stash of imported strains of ganja have been recovered from a resident of Jaswant Heights, Khar West, who has been named as well, Karan Sajnani, a British national, but clearly of Indian descent. Let me also go across to my colleague Yesha, who's joining us. So Yesha, what more do we know about these individuals who have been nabbed as part of this seizure?
That's right, Shivani. So as of now, there was a raid which was conducted by the NCB at 3 locations this morning, which included this Bandra location and a location at Chembur. From this particular Bandra location, where Karan Sajnani has been detained, they found almost 200 kgs of ganja and some marijuana also, which is of an imported quality. Now, what we understand is this case is directly linked to the 1620 case of Sushant Singh Rajput. And apart from Karan Sajnani, there are 2 more females who've been arrested. They will be produced before the magistrate tomorrow. Among them is a former manager of Dia Mirza, who's been arrested, and her sister. So, when the NCB had started raiding this place, the previous night they had found a courier which was supposed to be delivered to Karan Sajnani's house, which they intercepted, and they found some amount of ganja. Now, what NCB sources have claimed is that this is a larger international and an inter-drug racket wherein ganja is being provided from by going towards Goa, Meghalaya, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And this is the largest such quantity of drugs that have been seized from Mumbai in the recent past, which almost amounts to 200 kgs. Though we do not know the actual valuation of the drug seized because it is also in some other currencies as well. But going further, this would link directly to Anuj Keswani, who was arrested in the 1620 case, in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Now, what NCB sources have also said that this would reveal bigger names from the industry because this, though is a new case, is related to Sushant Singh Rajput, and some bigger names have come out. And this particular person was actually the kingpin of the drug racket, from where the drugs were being provided to Anuj Keswani and further going towards Ria and Sushant. So what we see is further there'll be some more names which will come out. And as of now, while Karan Sajnani will be arrested a few hours from now, these 2 females who've been arrested, Dia Mirza's former manager and her sister, will be produced before the magistrate tomorrow. Over to you, Shivani.
All right, Yesha, appreciate you breaking down the details for us.